Hey, there you are. Welcome to the studio. So, a while ago, I did a review-ish and unboxing and unpacking of some brushes, like this one here from, I hope you can see it, I don't know, Roubloff Brush Company. I've been using these for a couple of weeks, and I'm going to make a few comments about them, do a quick little bit of painting. I hope you can join me. Come on, let's check them out. Oh, now why is it all wacky? All right, there we go. Oops, let's just do it like this. Okay, so here they are. Here are the brushes. Let me just do a quick reminder for you. I'm going to take the biggest one so it's a little bit easier to see. These are the Roubloff brushes. These are the model 1010 Kolinsky, built in Russia or assembled, made. I'm not sure what the terminology is there. They're from Russia, and I've got to say, every one of these brushes, now some of these are dry. Let me just get these wet real quickly. Every one of these brushes, I hope you can see it there, come to a nice point. It's probably easier on the white. Every time you get them wet, they always snap back, very springy. I'm very impressed with these. They feel nice in your hand. I think this is birch wood. They feel nice. I will say with these particular brushes, there is one thing that I don't like about these, and it's kind of a minor thing, but the wood on here seems to be unfinished, and when you pick it up, you can feel the grain in there. You know, if you pick up this is a silver black velvet, it's got this nice shiny coat on there, and you put it in your hand and it feels all smooth and polished and finished. And this brush, you pick it up, you don't quite get that same feeling, but the action in this brush is fantastic. So I've got some paint here. These are, what are these? These are my M-gram set of paints, mostly M-grams. I've got a couple of different colors in here. I think what I'm going to do is, let's use a nice bright blue. I'll use a phthalo blue here. Nice bright blue. Should be easy to see. What has happened? I've gone out of focus. Let's see if I can zoom in. There we go. Okay, so we're back in focus. I'm just going to mix a little bit of paint here. And you can see I can just dab this in. I don't know what's happening with my camera. And I come to a nice point here just about every time. And with this, even with this is a number 5. This is the largest brush I've got in this set. I can still take this and make a really, really fine line. Look at how smooth that is. There we go. Maybe we'll stay in focus right there. A nice, smooth, fine line, just like that. Also, with any of these Sable brushes, I can load up a bit of paint, and I can just really lay the paint down here. Let's see, just lay down. There we go, and I've probably got enough to do another row there. These brushes hold a nice amount of water, and again, I just dip it in, and it springs right back to a nice point. I should say they're really springy too, so they're going to hold their shape up. Let me get a different one. Let's see, the smallest one I have in the group here is a 0. Let's see if I can paint a nice line with this one. Well, my hand isn't, maybe I can do that. My hand isn't the most delicate, I guess is the way to say it. But you can see I can get a really nice fine line with that. And even with this one, you can really get some water on it. For the size that it is, it carries a lot of water. Of course, it is a Sable brush. I understand that. Anyway, I just wanted to show these to you. These are so fantastic brushes. I've been having a great time painting with this. Like I said, I've used these nearly every day for about the past, really it's been a good 2 weeks, maybe a little bit longer that I've used these. And every day that I use these, I'm completely blown away at how nice these are. I'm just throwing something down here while I'm talking, not necessarily trying to make anything. I just want to show you how easy it is to do this with these nice brushes. Put a few, I'm just going to do a quick little tree here. With these brushes, and that's just right on the side, nothing to it. Let's see, I'm going to use, well, I'll keep my phthalo blue here. This will make a nice, I'll mix that in. That'll make a nice bit of a darker shadowy color. It might be a little too dark there, but that's okay. You get the idea. You can see how it's just going to come right on there. Do whatever you want. Anyways, the set I got, I should try to reiterate, the set I got, I believe I paid $38 for them. I got the 5, a 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0, all the sizes, all the way down. Every one of them for the money that you were going to pay for these. I can't believe I'm not being paid to do this. I know it sounds like I'm doing some infomercial for them, and I kind of feel like it because I've been painting with brushes that I've kind of thought are so-so, and I wanted to get a good one, and I wanted to do this, and I wanted to pay a lot of money to get a really good brush, and then I saw these, and I decided to give them a try, and I'm completely blown away with these. Just every time you pick them up, consistent water flow, consistent point on the end of them. Unbelievable. For my money, if I were to buy another set of brushes, I would buy another set of these. Now I will admit, I'm kind of going through a brush thing right now where I'm trying a number of different brushes out. I will admit to that, but I keep coming back to these because these are really good. Anyways, that's my update for you. I hope you enjoyed hearing about these brushes and how I've been using them or how they've been treating me. And like I said, I'm loving these. I hope you guys try them out. I hope you guys love them too. Anyways, thanks so much for stopping by the studio tonight. We'll see you again later. Thanks. Bye-bye.